Hi, and welcome back to Trifecta Pilates. My name is Beth. Today we're going to be doing an ab and leg workout and really working on the legs, back of the legs, hamstrings, and glutes. The only thing you're going to need for this short workout is a wall and a Pilates mat. If you're ready to get started, join me on the mat. To begin with, you want to make sure your mat is right up against the wall, and then you'll lay onto your back and put your feet against the wall, shins parallel to the floor. So like in a tabletop position here. Arms by your side to begin with. Press firmly into the feet and exhale, pelvic curl, spine up, roll back down. So you exhale, pelvic curl up, inhale for the roll back down. This should not only strengthen the back of the legs, but feel very good for your back. Breathing out, breathing in. Just a few more times here. And one last time. Now, keeping pelvis down, lift the toes up and balls of the feet off the mat so you're pressing into your heels. Do the same thing. Curl up and down. Curl up, rolling down. Breathing out and in. Pressing into the heels of the feet here. One last time. Pause. Now press into the balls of the feet and toes. Lift your heels up and curl up and roll down. Curling up and roll down. Breathing out and in. Pressing into the back of the arms. Two more times. 2 and 1. Now let your feet just rest onto the wall, but keep pressing firmly into them. Take the hands behind the head. Exhale, curl upper abs up and down. Breathing out and in. Keep pressing into the feet here. Two more times. And now we're going to stay up. Reach your arms over the knees. Little pulse. 2, 3, 4, 5. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down the hands, go behind the head. Focus on obliques. Exhale, rotate to one side, lower down. Same side. Exhale, inhale. Breathing out and in. Press evenly into the wall with the feet. We haven't forgotten about the legs. We're going to circle back to them in just a moment. One last time. Switch out your sides. Here we go. Curl up and down. Breathing out and in. Two more times. 2 and 1. Keep head down. Now lift one leg up and down. Same leg up and down. Arms can go by your side as you're doing this leg lift into the chest. 2 and 1. Switch sides. We lift and return. Can the leg be very quiet when it returns to the wall? You find that control from the center. Breathing out and in. 2 and 1. Now pressing evenly into both feet once again. Exhale, curl pelvis and spine up. Keep pelvis and spine up. Press into one foot. Lift one leg into you. Return. In, return. So what we just did, just now lifting pelvis up as we're doing that leg lift into the chest. For 2 and 1. Switch sides. In and return. Breathing out and in. Keep the pelvis lifting high. If you want to work through the glutes, the pelvis needs to stay lifting high. 2 and 1. Now roll down through the spine. That should feel lovely. Press into both feet. Curl right back up again. Lift one leg into your chest. Keep it there. Single leg. Roll down. Roll up. Rolling down. Rolling up, breathing out and in. One more time. Staying curled up, replace the foot, switch sides. And now roll down, roll up. Try giving the roll down an exhale. See if that can help you stretch the spine a little bit more. So slightly different breathing pattern that we got started with. 2 more times. Staying rolled up, replace the foot, roll down. Now keep both feet where they are, hands go back behind the head. Going into the upper ab curl again. Curl up and down. Breathing out and in. Now adding leg lift. Pull one leg into you, return. Same leg in, return. Breathing out and in. For 2, we're going to switch sides. Opposite leg goes in, return. Breathing out. For 2 and 1. Now we go obliques, lift and in. Lift, return. So leg pulls into you as you rotate. 2 more times. 2 and 1. Switch sides. We lift in, return. Breathing out, return. Feeling a lot of work hopefully with the abs. 1 last time. Nice work. Stay center. Now let your legs slide up the wall so they're straight. Arms down by your sides on your mat once again. Pressing down into the arms, curl pelvis and spine up. Rolling back down. If your feet slide down the wall a little bit, that's okay. Curl up. So usually they'll slide down the wall a little bit as you roll back down through the spine. That's just fine. Using that breath. 1 last time. Now keep your feet pressing into the wall and start reaching towards the toes. Roll yourself up. You got it? And then roll back down again. Control. If you get stuck, grab behind the thighs and you can bend your knees as well. Okay? This will do wonders for your teaser exercise. Press into the wall as you roll up and roll back down. Pressing as you roll up and rolling down. 1 last time, rolling up, staying here, pause. Now take your legs to tabletop, reach one arm up and forward, up and forward. Press feet evenly into the wall. 1 more time each side. Pause. Now rotate one side and center. Rotate second. We're almost done. Rotate and rotate. Breathing. 1 more time each side. Very nice. Cross through the legs. Take hands on shins or thighs. Lift spine up. And go natural curves. Again, allow your spine to lift up. And natural curves 1 last time. Lifting through and natural curves. And just notice how that work felt for your center, for the back of the legs. A really short routine that's so effective. Now you can add this on to virtually any Pilates class. I like to do this after cardio work and then I'll add on another little segment and come back and do this whole routine over again. This is especially the case if you're wanting to work on the abs and strengthen through the back of the legs. I hope that you really enjoyed this class. As always, have a beautiful day and join me on the mat soon. Hey there, before you go, if you liked this Pilates class, leave a comment as a review for other people and make sure to subscribe to the channel. You can also move with these other recommended Pilates workouts. Keep moving with Pilates in a way that makes sense for you each and every day.